Hello everyone, welcome back to Pably. So in today's video we will understand how to share WordPress posts on Instagram automatically. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to create a new post on my WordPress account, then I want to create that same post on my Instagram account as well. So here to do this, I need to set up a connection between these two applications, for which I'm going to use this amazing automation software, that is Pably Connect. So Pably Connect follows the concept of trigger and action. So here to do this, my trigger application will be WordPress and my action application will be Instagram. So if you want to learn more about this, follow me through the screen. In this video, we will understand how to share WordPress posts on Instagram automatically. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to share a new post on my WordPress account, then I want to create the same post on my Instagram account as well. So now in order to automate this entire process, I'm going to use Pably Connect, and this here is the landing page. So in order to reach here, you just have to type in pably.com/connect in your browser. So here you can see I've got two options. One is of sign in and the other one is of sign up for free. So if you are an existing user, you can simply sign in. But if you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button, and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. Now this here is the all applications page by Pably. So here I will go to Pably Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. In the meanwhile, subscribe to our channel. So this here is my dashboard, and now in order to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as share WordPress post on Instagram automatically. On my left hand side, you can see that these are the folders which I've created before. So I'm going to save this workflow in the folder named as WordPress to Instagram automation, and now I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I've arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. So basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pably Connect on which this entire automation will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of a trigger application, and in a workflow, you can only have one trigger but multiple action applications. So now moving to our use case, that is how to share WordPress posts on Instagram automatically. So my objective is that whenever I'm going to share a new post on my WordPress account, then automatically that post should be created as a new post on my Instagram account. So now in order to begin with the automation, I will go to my trigger window, and over here I'm going to search for WordPress as my trigger application. Here it is. And the trigger event will be new post published. So this trigger will start working whenever a new post will be published on my WordPress account. So now moving to my action window, as I want to create the same WordPress post on my Instagram account. So over here, as I have a business account, so I'm going to select Instagram for Business as my action application. And the action event will be to publish photo. So as you can see that I have selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. So by using this automation, I'm going to make sure that every time I'm going to post on my WordPress account, then automatically that same post will be shared on my Instagram account as well. So taking you to Pably Connect, firstly I need to establish a connection between WordPress and Pably Connect. So in order to do that, here you can see a webhook URL is given, and along with that a help desk is given. So read this help desk given below carefully, because this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect a WordPress account with Pably Connect. So for this, I'm going to take you to my WordPress account. So this here is my WordPress account. So as in Pably Connect, it is mentioned that I need to install this plugin of WP Webhooks and I have to activate it. So over here in my WordPress account, I'm going to take you to plugins, and as I've already installed this plugin, so it will be showed under installed plugins. But if you want to install, just have to go to add new plugin option and you have to search for WP Webhooks. So I'm going to take you to my WordPress account. I will go to plugins and I will go to install plugins. So as here you can see that I have already installed this plugin. So I'm going to proceed ahead. So over here I will go to settings, and in settings I will go to WP Webhooks. So here in WP Webhooks, I'm going to select the trigger for post created, and over here I'm going to add a webhook URL. So here I've named my webhook as latest webhook, and now over here I need to mention the webhook URL. So from Pably Connect, I'm just going to copy it, and over here I'm going to paste it. So now I'm going to click on add for post create. And here you can see that a new webhook has been added. Here's the name, here's the webhook URL. So moving further, I'm going to click on these three dots and I'm going to go to settings. And here in settings, I'm going to select the trigger on selected post type as post. And I'm going to trigger on initial post status change that will be published. So once I've selected it, now I'm going to click on save settings. and it says settings saved. So the settings has been successfully saved and we have successfully set up a webhook inside WordPress. So this webhook will help us to get the post in Pabbly Connect. So here in Pabbly Connect as well, you can see it is waiting for webhook response. That means now I need to do a test submission so that the post could be captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So now in order to do that, I'm going to take you to my WordPress account, and over here I'm going to go to post and I'm going to create a new post. So by creating a new post, I'm going to show you that how the post details will get captured in Pabbly Connect. So over here I will go to add new post. So here let's say that I'm going to add the title as Sale at Aloha Jewels. So this here's the title, and now I'm going to add the content. So this here is the content. So over here, as I've added the title, added the content, and now I'm going to set a featured image. So by scrolling down, I'm going to set a featured image over here, and this here is the image. So now I'm going to click on set featured image. So here you can see that I've added the image as well, and now I'm going to publish this post. Here you can see it says post publish. So I'm going to click on view post. And here you can see that a post has been successfully created on my WordPress account. So here you can see the image, here's the title, and this here is the content. So now that means this response of the new post created would have been captured in Pabbly Connect. So taking you to Pabbly Connect, and yes, over here I have received the response, and over here in the response I've got the details. So over here, this here is the link of the image. So I'm going to copy it and I'm going to show you in a new tab as well. And here you can see that this here was the image. So over here, this is the link of the WordPress post. So I'm going to show you this as well. So here you can see that this link has directed me to this WordPress post. So that means over here in the response, I have got the details of the new post which I've created. Scrolling down here, you can see the post title, and over here you can see the post content as well. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So here that means we have successfully set up the first step of this automation. That means now whenever a new post will be published on my WordPress account, then automatically the post details will get captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So as I've got the post details, now by using these details, I wish to create a post on my Instagram for Business account. So now I'm going to build a connection between Instagram account and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on connect. And here I'm going to add a new connection. So I've already opened my Instagram account in one of the tabs. And here you can see that the authorization was successful. So here you can see Instagram for Business and Pabbly Connect is connected. So this here is my account. You can see that here is my account and over here it is selected. Moving to the photo URL field. So over here to mention the detail of photo URL, I'm going to use a method that is called as mapping. So basically mapping means to insert the data from previous steps. So as I've received the photo URL and the caption part from WordPress, so that is why from the response received, I'm going to map it. So firstly, I'm going to map the post title and then I'm going to map the post content. So this is the post content. So as you can see that I have mapped the details in these fields. So this method of mapping is important so that every time I'm going to receive a new response, so that response could be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information could have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received a new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So as I've mapped the details, now I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. So here you can see that I have received a response and this here is a positive response. That means a post would have been created on my Instagram account. So I'm going to take it to my Instagram account and here you can see that yes, a new post has been created and here you can see this here is the image and here this is the caption. So that means a post has been successfully created on my Instagram account from the same post which was created on my WordPress account. So this automation was a successful one. That means now whenever I'm going to share a new post on my WordPress account, then automatically that post will be created on my Instagram account as well. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications and create amazing automations by using Pabbly Connect. So you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write us to https://forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing related issues, you can visit this link. So you can create a lot more automations by using Pabbly Connect, and don't forget to share these videos with your friends, colleagues. Subscribe to our channel for more.